Hey everyone, this is Eric from NYTOP. Today I'd like to show you guys a wet application technique for our dry carbon fiber products for the S650 generation Mustang. Some of these products have these 3M tape on the back, which I already removed the backing. As you all know, these are really sticky and it's hard to position it correctly. So we usually use some 90% or above isopropyl alcohol to finally mist the back of the tape to help it slide in. And because it's alcohol, it evaporates pretty quickly, and so it won't affect the tape's performance. So I'm just very finely misting the back of the tape, and that should help us slide it around and find the best position. As you can see, once you set it in, give it a little bit of time for the alcohol to evaporate. Then just keep applying pressure throughout the carbon fiber where the tape is applied. You can also use heat gun to help speed up the evaporation process of the alcohol. Yeah, that's it. This technique also applies to the upper grill insert, the side grill insert, and also the tail light bezel.